Doho ma Kisumu kawuono nogolo chik mar medo dino ne achije moko adek mitudo gi wach mar logo mo manotimore kar dak ma Lolwe e sub-county ma Kisumu Central. Jang'ad bura Dickson Onyango nowacho ni odinnegi e tesend obila ma Kisumu Central kuom ndalo 6 mondo mi obila thuolo mar medo timo nonro e wi wachno kendo ndiko kethgo.
The police complete investigations.
Your Honor, my name is Doho. Who represents
2023 as against Dickson Nyakundi. In making a decision whether to allow the continued detention of the respondent, I have considered all the relevant circumstances of this case. The only facts available before court are from the state through the affidavit of Corporal Okwaro, where it is alleged that the respondents siphoned fuel belonging to Kenya KPC in a manner that may amount to sabotage, contrary to Section 343 of the Penal Code. The offence of sabotage carries a penalty of imprisonment of up to life. It is also alleged that in the affidavit of the investigation officer that 2 unknown persons, male adults, were found dead inside a tunnel said to have been used by the respondents. This creates the impression that the police would need to investigate other serious criminal charges as well. It is alleged that the respondents may interfere with witnesses, an allegation that, in my assessment, is not far-fetched, particularly with the revelation that the identity of 2 deceased persons remain unknown. For the foregoing reasons, I'm satisfied that the state have made out a case to justify the continued detention of the respondents. I will allow the motion and order that the respondents be detained at Kisumu Central Police Station for 6 days to enable the police to conclude their investigations.
Ramogi imedo winjo kendo neno weche manyien mag